Hello everyone, welcome to our challenge, and yes, you will retire young and rich. In this challenge, we are doing passive income dollar. We are picking our stocks, and your challenge is you pick the stock, you fund your wallet, you buy, you don't miss the dividend date, and you post your challenge. So this is one of the dividends I received. Now, how do you pick your stock? You go to Yahoo Finance, you go to your Google and type Yahoo Finance, and the next thing you're going to do is to pick out the name of the stock. So once you have picked the Yahoo Finance, this particular one that has that Yahoo mark, then you type in the name of the stock you are interested in. So for the first stock we are going to type is GNL. GNL is a global net lease income. This company is into real estate. The beautiful thing about real estate is that it enables you to receive 90% of their total profit. And this stock is valued at $11.07. Amazing, right? So it's cheap to get. Yeah, 11.06. It is very, very affordable. So with $100, you can buy at least 9 shares. Now, what do you do next? You scroll down. I want to see some very important things. The first thing I want to look at is the ex-dividend date. This date is April 12th, 2023. Make sure you buy the stock before April 2023, so you'll be able to earn your dividends on May 10th, 2023. And their dividends for the year is 14.21%. So if you divide it into 12 months, you earn a particular percentage of that in every single month. So these 3 dates are important: the earning date, the dividend yield, and the ex-dividend date. The next one is AGNC. It's also a real estate income stock. Very one of my favorites. In fact, I've been receiving dividends from them for like a whole year, 12 whole months. It's been amazing. So type in AGNC, and once you type it, you're going to see it pop up, and then you see it is valued at $9.40. Amazing. Also very cheap. You can afford to get it at this value. So with $100, you can get up to 10 shares. Now scroll down. You can buy this on or before 27th April 2023. And look at their dividend yield is 15.16%. So you'll be able to earn your earnings by June and then July. So these 3 important information are the things you should be looking at whenever you go and search for any stock on Yahoo Finance. So every other information, the price, the open price for the day, because currently as I'm recording this, the stock market is open. You can see the volume is trading for the day. You can see the market cap, every information that you need about the stock. You can also search for other things like their financial statements and every other important information you will be interested in getting. All is there. So now let's move into our Bamboo app. You go into your Bamboo app. I'm sure by now you've already been verified. So you go to search button on top. You can see the search button, or you can click on buy a stock. So I'm clicking buy a stock. Once you click on it, it takes you to the search button. Now you type the name of the stock, which is GNL. We are taking the first one. This is the one we're using for the challenge, GNL, the first one, Global Net Lease. You type it and it pops up. You highlight it. You tap on it. Okay. You can see the price is $11.10. Okay. Now you click on it. It opens up and you click on buy now. There's a green button below. You see it showing buy. You click on that button and it will ask you some questions. Buy now when the price is just pick buy now. You're buying at the current market price. All right. So we click on buy now button, and we now see there are other opportunities. You can see that the buying power I have in this my app for Bamboo is $38.95. So bearing that in mind, I am not going to buy anything more than 38, but today I'm going to buy $30 worth of shares on GNL. So I'm going to type in $30, and it is valued at 22,560 naira. And then I can click on preview buy, and then every information is here. I'll quickly click on the buy button, and when I've looked at all the other summary, you can see there's an estimated commission of 0.45. So they have already debited it from my $30. So what I have is $29.55, and that will buy me about 2.6 shares. So once I click on it, You can see sending my order, and yay, it is successful. Amazing, right? So let's go to the next stock. All right, let's get into the next stock, which is AGNC. AGNC. So this is the second stock we are taking in our challenge. AGNC stock is also a real estate income trust stock. Very, in fact, my favorite. Now you type on it and then you go to buy button straight. You can see it's $9.43. So the prices are always moving. So depending on the time you catch on it, I have remaining $8.95. So I'm taking $5 out of the $8.95. And now it's going to take out the commission, which is 0.07 out of my 5. So I have 4.92 cents, and it's going to send in my order, and you can see very successful. So once you're going to notice about Bamboo is that whichever amount you give it, it will first of all take the commission before using the remaining one to get you the value for your stocks. And we're going to see the difference once we get into our Trove. So this is how it shows the total. So you can go to your stocks and you can see the 2 stocks I have just added. Fantastic. Very simple, easy breezy, and you can start earning your dividends every month. So let's get into the Trove app. Now in your Trove app, this is how the interface looks like. You go straight to the search button and you type in your GNL. All right, very easy. Tap on it, it pops up. You click on your GNL and it opens up for you. Now once you click on it, you can see this is showing 11:04. So because of the time difference, it has reduced from 11.10 to 11:04. You type in the value, which is $5 is what I want to use, and then it will just ask me swipe to buy. Once I swipe from the left to the right side, once I swipe from the left to the right, all right, it will quickly take the order for you. Can you see that? It has just purchased it. Very easy. Very, very easy. All right, let's get into AGNC. In the AGNC, it's very simple. Tap the same thing, type in your value. Looking at my buying power, $81. The share is $9.54. I will type in $10. So once I type it in, it will tell me to review the cost, which I will click on it. Also take note of the service charge, which is 0.5 cents. Okay. The good thing about Trove is that it doesn't take it from the money you've typed in. To take the extra commission from the value you have. So once you click swipe to buy, it will tell you you've just bought 1 share and fraction of the rest. So you can see it here. Place your order. Once you click on done, you will instantly receive an email that says you have just bought this value of shares, and that is how easy it is. I'm sure by now you know how to place your orders. So what I want you to do in the community is go place your order and send me the orders you have purchased, whether it is 1, whether it's half. You know, the good thing is that you can purchase fractional. Fractional means this share is worth $10, but you have only $2 or $5. You can purchase it. And when they want to pay dividend, they will still pay dividend according to the fraction that you have purchased. Super easy. So that is true for you. This is one of the dividends I earned last month from stocks. So assets build you massive wealth. Thank you very much.